Yo, see Mama K, wish her well.
Wow, mother. Welcome back a road, mother, man. What happened to you, man? Come on. I say, you're good.
You know, say boy, they want to give back my phone. No. One big belly police boy in the so going like he may want to give back my phone.
Oh, come on.
Yo, me not even want to know any. And some of them are calling Mr. T. You see all that they place in the think.
Yo,
Yo,
come in.
you have to go dash them and close there, you know, and come go and see, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. Come in, man. Don't worry yourself. Good thing at the back of the road now, because the music me I do, you know.
I be a fresh food, then give me finger in there and water, you know. I mean, no name that, me dash you that. Fasting me the pan.
I'm about them police boy, them about my mother. Think with them. I say music me my boss clean.
Prisoner no get the road there. They no clean up in this one, me shit in this one, everything, everybody Lego, everything in the same thing, and them a care food come give me. I be a shit there in that place and they stink everybody a shit in the same thing. And I'm out of the same plate and I fling down nobody no beard. Yo, me just get one little wash off since me I come out. Me not even beard good. I have to go make me beard that hard thing. Wickedness, man. Be a fresh food and give people finger in there so. Yo. I man the mirror chat out fresh. One look me look funny, you know, man. I be able to make me vomit, you know. I want to go in there so you know, my son.
So J-Rank, so you're upon, brother. Yeah, my general, man. Fully. Everything good? Active, man. Yeah, man. Me hear last song, you know, brother. Yeah, go on good, you know. Yeah, man. Toxic, man. Yeah, go on good, man. About 500 and 1,000, you know. A million if you reach now, you know. They say if you go, man, so guess what? Want everybody was tuning in and us. Subscribe to J-Rank, yeah, man, brother. You have to just stay consistent, you know. And that's how we go work, you know.
That's what.
How is the law, boss?
Go on, brother. Where the man?
Outside. J-Ranks.
My father, man. Fully active, you know.
Outside, you know, my boss. Everything up.
They all know so much, you know. So I'm going to go over 500,000 as well.
Me see it, man, brother.
Woman, she bought her next one, I know, Sheffield and them.
Say no one know say. I see as a bomb song, go up Square one Thursday and drop on 30 pack. Money pull up on that song there.
Yes.
You know hear about it? Okay, brother.
Right now, I'm feature we need to do together, you know.
Yeah, man, we do it, man. But right now, I still don't coming now. You say, ready for me now?
Yeah, man, I'm ready for you now, man.
Dan Kingston, brother.
Dan Kingston.
You know the thing, sir?
I want to Sheffield, man. What you tell you? Tell you about the place where we come from. Man, tell you about the place where we go. And then me tell you about the place where we come from. Tell you about some towns where we know. Why not tell you about Sheffield? Just so here, man. Look what I want, brother. I want you.
Brother, I must say, subscribe, you know.
Boy,
I want to feel like somebody just listen to your music and subscribe.
Notification, I got it.
You know the thing, sir. I know the thing, sir. What you say, lad, bro?
Yeah.
Come in, because I don't know the things, so man. I come to play around, you know. So my mother, yeah, my mother that, you know.
Your mother?
Yeah, man.
Sure, bro.
My mother that, man.
Oh, she you tell me about say that prison from him.
Yeah, man, right now, there's a tune who come in for bust up the place, and my tune I tell you about, man.
Okay, you didn't listen to the radio?
Yeah, man, it's good, man. I tell you, sir. Me have a girl tune and more on Japan, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, understand?
Anything I just feel if I come from prison, I will say, when we make a watch James, she not empty.
yeah, I think that, man, but I drop that, man.
Yo, all right, give me a minute. I don't talk to Jerry and if forward.
All right, Mama, okay, come in.
All right, so as me ask, brother, as soon as you're ready for this song, just link me, you know.
But that's good, man. Damn it, man. Watch out. I'm going to visit part them.
You know what, sir? Me have one guy who me can't talk to near me, Charlie Brown Films.
What you mean? If I interview with a colleague, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You have no man, team no man, be right with me.
All right.
Yeah, well,
Yo, just link me, you know, brother. But there, you know.
but that's good.
All right, so if anything, come on.
All right.
All right, DK, what you say now?
Turn on the music, man, talk to you.
Boy, you look fresh though, man.
Yeah, man. Glad to me come out, you know. God know. Come like the best time of my life, you know. I just feel different, nice and fresh. All my head,
Or yourself, man, I rode off a day, you know.
I just have to wash me hair and all a nice little fresh. I couldn't take it no more. When you tell us say from me going there, me no bathe, you know. I mean, I know every time they let me out for bathe, you know. 2 weeks we no bathe. Yeah, man. So you have to say me no bathe no tall. Then it take too long for me to go a bathroom and then I rush to go a bathroom and sick.
My brother, come on still, because right now, some me there work on, you know, I try to we can bust it out and music thing, you see me?
That the song that when I stay in the bathroom when me wash me and I hear you played. Listen to me, my son. Listen now. Then the song there, no real tune, you know, no real song them there, you know. Then there nowadays people, you know, want to hear them the kind of song there.
But I mean, me have to teach you them.
What? Foolishness?
But,
You hear that?
but love.
No, man, listen to me, man. Them here people you nowadays want to hear bop in the head. Bop in the head. Shot in this and shot in that. After you dead, they want to hear about. They don't want to hear about no love nor nothing. You know, see? Right now, if you play one nice, good song with love, you're not get no heap of like sweet, no heap of followers.
All right,
You
so,
want song about dead and see.
So, what do you think we could have put on already, then?
Yeah, hear me now. Mama K, a real bad girl, in a jail, 15 years, you see. Me had it done, they couldn't run me. And me run all of the police, then you see them have to let me on quick. Sure, hear me now. All right.
Right now, my brother just called me in a bit earlier, you know, so I don't think one go down to the studio, you know.
But me have better tune than them that when me stay in a cell and write, you know. I want you to write some real stick. Hear me now. Joke or joke, I'm serious. Serious thing me I talk now. Me have some real tune, real lyrics. Real lyrics, you can't run out of rhyme. Rhyme everything, rhyme go straight down. So me I go show you the book. When we in a cell man talk, guess what? You hear what me I tell you now, my son? Think me want me if you do this scamming thing, you know.
Scamming, what do you mean? A jail also come out, you know, what do you mean by scamming?
They're from...
You don't cut out for scamming, you know?
Oh, you hear me I say now? They come like I say. You see weed them in my eye when I'm body not. Guess when me in a cell, I be a weed my body still, you know, you're looking at my eye too much. Listen, hear me now, my son. You have to do this scamming. Because you see this scamming, make you make money and you're rich. You're not scam, you just get knocked. You know, see a scamming and do it. You don't need one, you don't need, what the big vehicle name? Jelly? What name?
Jelly.
Jelly. Them big vehicle, eh? Big Mercedes, Benz, BMW. And my son, if you drive that, you know, no longer on this area, you know.
How yourself?
How we are going to run things?
How yourself, man? Because we make up get a nice vacation down and the girl let you know.
When me in a cell, my son.
Book in one of the hotel there, you know, man.
Show you, you know, you
Enjoy yourself, you know, man. This is not a Jets 2 holiday you go for them.
I lie. We go in a hotel?
Yeah, man, make you go enjoy yourself one at a time then, man.
Alright, chat about it. You don't know so when me and I sell, you know. When me in there, you know, me and the girl, them, we the whole of we there in there. I be a scamming in girl, them a go on with, you know.
So police don't catch you.
Let me tell you something, man. Tricks and trade in business, just like matches and the matches stick. Read it. Read between the lines. Horrible, old time people talk. If you understand me, I say, let me tell you something. You have bad cop, good cop, cop way, you know, and deal with that. You understand? So here and now, you have people who do things where some people won't do it. You understand? And a money run things. And we have we little, you know, we little people in my road, but we have their number we send but receive. So you would have be the dealer and you have the receiver like them at the mule, you know? Like jugs mule, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, don't worry yourself about it. Just try it. Try it.
Alright, man, I'm going to the studio because the producer is short me, so I'm going to go see if we can match up that song and something.
Hey, my son. I don't want no producer boy feel so they can style you, you know. And come make your waste and good energy, your good vibes, you know, because I know you can do it, you know. You're off your bus, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. Come here, you know. Yeah, come.
Yeah, man. Really, man.
I want you to know, man, I have a company I signed to, you know, man, Factory TV, you know. They are pushing some money in their music thing, so I keep the thing going, you know, so we can, you understand?
All right.
Yeah. So just come here, we'll say we can match up a tune, like I want boss, you know, man, make sure you get that nice little vacation on a nigga, you know.
Detective Francis, how you doing? You alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Well, I big you up on that successful radio intern.
Thanks.
Anyway, I don't want you to rest, you know, because guess what? We have a next assignment for you, you know. Big assignment.
No, Mr. Buster. Remember, son and let me go after abstinence. I put him in vacation leave from last year, you know.
This one is of great importance, and that can't wait, little bit, man. You know your work, go. You know your thing, go. What you say?
Where you want me to clear?
I really set me alone, you know, but this is one big, you know, broadcasting commissioner, and a lot of people call me. You know, the music that they play nowadays, them scamming music, and, you know, them have such a message in them that there's one of importance where I want you to go undercover. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You have a whole list now still. The individual, everything pan him depend that. So, you know, we have to deal with it now. When you ready? Cause boy, I listen to some song with them sending with them people, you have some message night when I sound too right. Everything is close to home where something not right, so them have to just investigate that particular person and why I go undercover. As we said before.
But Sarge, me deal with drugs and money laundering. Why me you want to put on this operation here?
Very good question. Put it this way. Look at me. Your influence and your persuasion match your beauty. So, when I send you go, this a man I can't say no to you. You understand? You're going to be in girlfriend. No doubt about it. If I name see you, lose your mind.
So me got one partner upon this or me go solo?
No. Solo, man. You're going in solo.
All right.
And remember, you know it's out here already. Rules. Don't accept gadgets from nobody. Nothing whatsoever. that they can track you. You know all them basic stuff there already.
Yes, I'm familiar with
Right, so, you know, careful your surroundings and stuff, because undercover work, you know, it's serious work. You hear me?
Alright, so when we start,
ASAP.
Yo, DK, you ready?
I mean, yo, La Boss, line up rhythm there, you know.
Yeah, man, you ready?
You know the thing set, you know. It's a bad man song we are doing, you know. You see
A
me?
bad man song.
Yeah, man, I just say thing there now, my boss.
Well, many things that we discuss, so yo, we are going to do one type of vibe of song where we can kind of mix to like one party type song.
Yo,
Nah, listen.
yo, love my son, you know. You know what my son for boss? He's a bad man tune my son off the bus, you know. This a tune off the bus this year. I mean, when you go on like you want to try and stop it, you know. Run the rhythm.
Run the rhythm, La Boss.
Stop tune and hits after hits. Right now, run it in. We are weird fan.
You ready, DK?
Rhythm up. Let us burn down this place. You don't know the thing set.
Rhythm.
Dan Kingston.
Right now.
You don't know. Mama K. Rise up the gun them, you know.
Post in a real life, want you?
AOC Records. Yo, La Boss, big up yourself, you know. Mama K, you don't know. Rise up the strap them. Yo, Martox, tell them, Debbie.
You think you can diss me? Liquor boy, B2, you think me a beat me? Mama can rise up the gun quickly.
Liquor boy, let me tell you this.
Little boy, go your bed. Wash your foot. You got your prayer, so your prayer, cause you're dead. Bow! A gunshot in your head.
Oh, a gunshot got your bed. Bow.
Mama K!
Them dead enough. You think them can diss me? What do they know about Petersfield? What they know about Bastida Walk? What they know about Bullet Tree?
Yo, DK.
Yo,
I like how it sound, man. It sound good, man.
yo, man, watch on, man, me upon spot. Me make a song there, you know. Me no write tune. Upon spot.
Yeah, man.
So, yo, as when me drop that song, yeah, just when you reply, as in reply, me I drop another one. As in reply. You hear me
Alright.
say?
Yo, forward outside, I want to talk to you about something.
Well, what you said, that good?
Yeah, man, you can go on.
Alright. Because you don't know anything set in a La Boss. Yo, anything push up dead, you know.
My son, that you know.
Yeah, man, me know, man.
Rip.
Yo, Mama K. Them dead in a La Boss, so I'm telling you, man.
No, them dead again.
I'm telling my mother, man. Yo, is a Benz GLE me I buy him and dropping. I'm telling you, man.
Latest, man.
Yo.
Yeah, man.
Yo, forward
Do
out.
taxi on the road and see if you can make something out of it.
Yo,
So you
yeah.
can do it yourself with 2 taxi.
Brother, it's impossible to make $2 million out of 2 taxi.
La Boss, so you say, you know.
Somebody want to talk in front of your mother, you know, but hear me, I say. I feel like if you start left your mother at home, you know, I feel like she's a bad influence, bro, because see, we're in the studio, and me, I producer, you know, and she, I tell you what to say, you know.
La Boss, I don't even understand, you know. My mother that, you know. A long time I don't see my mother, you know. We just take my mother out of jail, you know. I tell her, since my mother come out of the road, you know. You see me? We had do things. You see me right now? What you even know? Wow. My mother grind me, you know that.
Me can't tell. She really look like one hoodlum. No offense.
Brother, better make sure you say all them stuff, you know, because mother, brother.
Listen
yeah,
to
man.
Bro, you used to sing about conscious song where people can vibe to and listen to. Right now, I be a killing you and sing about.
So, brother, no badness thing there, brother. You know, say I say things, say. A badness thing there, where you want going?
Bro, I dance all the song name, you know.
Yeah, me I tell you something. Look, remember, you know, we pay for your session, we come and say, you know, say if you don't want to come back here to the studio, if you come, you don't want to vice me.
I never say that, you know. Remember, say me I bridging for a long time, you know. But listen to me, I say, bro, just think about what I sing about before you say. Remember, say, you know, me a producer, you know, me can know which song go make a bust, you know, and which song not gonna make a bust, you know. I waste, me know how to waste some money, you know, for a garbage song. You understand? Hey, listen to me. You don't need to carry your mother everywhere where you go. If you a scam, no make your mother a scam with you.
Don't worry yourself, man. You say, actually, I'm not the genius. You say, if I did the genius, anything me say, man, take it make some way. Actually, me believe in you, dog.
Bro,
Yeah, man.
just remember saying I'm not nice you chat to. A law boss you chat to. Come in, we finish this voice song.
Then I have to say, boss, man, I go on, I say, yo, man, our boss big enough.
Yo, my dogs, tell them, Debbie. You think you can diss me? Liquor boy, B2, you think me a beat me? Mama can't raise up the gun quickly.
Little boy, let me tell you this. Little boy, try your bed. Wash your foot. You got your prayer, say your prayer, cause you're dead.
Go,
A gunshot in your head.
go,
A gunshot, got your bed.
go. Mama K. Them dead enough. You think them can diss me? What do they know about Peter's Wheel? What they know about Bastida Walk? What they know about Bullet Tree?
Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation, baddest thing in a Westmoreland. You can't diss me, we have to do the thing right. Time come now, turn off the light.
And I'm trying to tell.
Hello? Is this Mr. David Lewinsky? Yes. Is this Mr. David Lewinsky? I'm Dana Morris. I'm calling from the published. May I say good?
No, look, no, moment.
Publisher.
Yes, hello? Yes, sorry about that. That was just my assistant.
Can I start over? Women aren't in no start.
No, sir. Listen. My name is Mr. David Cooper, and I'm calling you from the Publishers Clearance House. Right, and I'm calling in regards about the prize that you have won. All right, so I'm gonna give you back to the manager, and she's gonna tell you how much money you're going to pay to receive this prize. All right. Talk. Tell him much money. Me pen. Tell him how much money.
Hello? Yes? Okay. I'm his assistant. You have won a $5.9 million USV 2025. And we would like for you to give us some more information about you, how you're going to receive this. Okay, I would love to speak to your wife.
Instead of charging them, they said $135 if you collect your price.
Yes, sir. But before, what? No. You don't have to go through that. Before we send it to you, you're gonna have to send us 35,000 US to this number. Are you ready? Do you have a pen? Okay. 001-95003821. You got it? Repeat that number, please. Okay. Yes. I'm gonna let you talk to. Okay, I'll let you talk to my manager. Yes, and then you get further information about it.
Yes. Hello? Yes, so did she tell you how much money you have won? All right. No. Every money that you spend is 100% reimbursable. You're gonna get this money back. Any money how much she told you to spend, you're gonna get it back.
All right, so she told you to pay 35,000 at the Western Union, right? All right. So go do that now and keep the phone off hook. All right, so keep the phone off hook. We're gonna stay in the line. As soon as you get out of the Western Union, you call them back immediately. All right. All right, no problem. I'm gonna keep the phone on hold. Yeah. And one, it's on real, so legitimate. Where's the make sure say
Sending the right address and everything.
yeah man. So when time is you know what I mean? You go down to Western Union.
No collect from Western Union.
No say they not pay me down there, man. No say I big man. They more just tell them say oh say I bill and you never send money for you or something.
So there's no source.
Me go down there go collect that the more pre me, you know.
Oh, alright, maybe collect it.
Yeah,
No, but we not have to collect it. Can't get one receiver to receive it because we not have to go with a dealer. So we can get a receiver.
Alright, but you good still, you good.
Yeah, man. So all you have to do is call them back and give them one in with them for send it in.
Alright.
And make somebody go collect it.
Alright, go and do it, man. Just go and call in there and put more confidence in that thing, man. They are getting it, you know, man. They are getting it. Just put more confidence in that. Me I go and work on a song here.
Alright, don't worry yourself, my son. You have to boss, you know. You have to boss in a real life. Remember I said me used to be artist too, you know. I just too somebody boss for me. But me not go give up. Me will get up and brush her back again because me have some new tune in my brain, you know.
Don't worry yourself.
Right.
Don't worry yourself, man. Me I make you proud, my mother, man. Don't worry yourself.
Me have some new tune me I go write and then me can sit down and go and make it, you know. Alright. Hello? Is this Mr. Simmet? Yes, speaking. I am Cassandra Downfall, and I'm calling to let you know that you have won a Mercedes-Benz 2026. But you have to send 500,000 to the excuse me, sorry about that. You have to send me 500,000 to the published clearinghouse for you to receive your gift. Yes, sir. But I'm gonna give you some information where you to send the money to. You're gonna have to send it to Western Union, okay? All right. I'm gonna tell you the number that you, what? Yes, that's what I was going to do now. Oh, let me talk to my manager.
Yes, hello? Yes, so please get the pen and paper, a clean sheet of pen and paper, and this is the name you're gonna send the money to. All right? So please get this name down. Dana Morris. Right, so you're gonna send the money to Dana Morris. All right? All right. Yes, and please call back this number as soon as you make the payment, all right? Right, and anybody try to change the code, you don't give them the code. All right. No say I don't want to steal them, I go. But I don't want to hear B-side song.
I'm hearing it before you go down there.
Right. So I feel like either for them and feel truth. I feel like some them chat now they and collect $50 Western Union. And you know say you can't collect $50 Western Union.
Alright.
Big scammers in the street trying to take what's mine. But they don't know that I got my line. Alright, probably need for work look a bit more funny.
But me I go down and see this long one. I just a piece of song them. You see me? How you so?
And also you have to street man. Remember say me original one from long time. They can't say me a this scammer, long time scammer. Nobody can scam more like me.
Alright, so
Me a the scammer, number one scammer from Jamaica. If you think you're bad, come in and me. Hey, Paradise Station run things all over the place. Remember me tell her that scammer.
no worry yourself, but me I go down and so me I go down and see there.
Yeah.
Just one walk, man. You must bingo. You have to bingo. Me believe in it, you know, mommy.
Yeah, man. Hello? He just left. Yes. Okay. You have the name that he gave to you? Yes, he gave you a name that you're supposed to send the money to. Okay, send it to that. Yes. The spelling is correct. Yes, you can go ahead and send it now.
Hello.
Hi. Aren't you like the popular artist or something like that?
Popular artist.
Yeah.
Boy, I don't know if I right person, you know, but man feel man, you know.
That's interesting.
But
Yeah,
you know,
but
but
too.
which artist you talk about? What kind of song you say?
Beautiful girls and I think a diss track.
I mean, man. So first me I see around here, so do.
Because I'm not from here, actually.
Not from here, so where you from?
Close by, close enough.
Close enough.
Mm-hmm.
My name is Don Kingston, by the way.
Okay,
Otherwise known as DK.
I'm aware. I'm Jessica.
You are?
Jessica.
Jessica?
Yes. But that's your alias, that's your actual name.
Well, probably have to just get to know me, you know. So we can tell you over the phone.
Sure, that's no problem. Maybe we can exchange number then.
When I take your number and get some left on phone.
That's fine, I'll take yours.
So you're frequent around here, sir?
No, not really. I wanted to come have a swim, but kind of changed my mind.
So it won't be a problem if we have lunch then, right?
No, why not?
All right. Can you tell me how your day went after this?
Hope you're not one of them where they really answer texts or calls, you know.
I mean, you just get them for a good time, don't it?
All right, let's see.
I don't know if you can keep my attention.
I'll do my best.
All right.
So I give you a text, all right?
All right, nice to meet you. All right,
Nice to
Jessica?
meet you too.
Be safe on the road, you know.
I will.
See you like you want a little ear in your back tire around and stuff.
Yeah, you would. Give thanks, brother.
I was trying to tell you.
Don Kingston, man, you know hear?
Yeah, what?
This a tune around the place, brother.
It's Dan Kingston. You know hear about artists.
Rotted. This a man now, I am around the place right now, brother.
Run this place, you do song.
This a summer song, yeah, man, where man dropping in summer, man.
Like run the whole place.
Come like you lock up on that one, rock to backside.
Brother, I hear that talk, but better than them artists in the youth. I'm if you tell you that, you know.
Hey.
I talk about run the place. I have to hear that song the first. Come know them boy in a bad life, my brother, when it comes to music.
You know, sir, I feel same student he go to. That for sure, you know.
What a law boss?
Yeah, man. Man, I put in the work, man. No, if you put in the work.
I mean, my brother and them boy, I mean, if you tell you don't know say me artist.
I know say artist. But me not 2 years nothing from you, so I think you give up your artist thing.
That is an idea you give me.
No. I probably not to do a splash. Since you say you're about the artist, but why about the artist? You have to prove it.
This is an idea you give me, man. Watch me I go do. I'm gonna build a song with this him. What name? Sean what?
Don Kingston.
Don Kingston.
Yeah, man.
Watch me.
So you know, say man, bad feature.
Better me do a bad song with counteract him, man. This him, watch.
Yeah, it's all
I talk about bad and run place. That's what me I do, man.
Yeah, that if you do, man.
I'm my ground this. No boy can't have no song with bad and my song. How do you, man?
When you say I got a studio?
Well, tomorrow. You take everything light. Make sure call our boss. Book in the studio time. Keep man thing light here.
How you call?
The best brother in the yes, I call our boss and book the studio time. I'm put the cross speaker and show you. Yo, la boss.
Yo, what one?
I the man, Jota Rhyme.
Hey, what one, you know?
You know, say more come so bam. And do a big song in the studio. Me I book my studio time for now, you see?
Yeah, man, when you say one forward?
Tomorrow me I forward my general.
Tomorrow, 3 o'clock, good you?
Yeah, man, 3 o'clock me I forward my general. Me I come do one bad song star, you see?
Alright then, do that then, no problem.
Alright, my father.
Yeah, man,
Bad, you're bad. How would that? Thing me a joke thing, how would that me just talk to?
Eh?
How would that me just talk to?
Hey, boss, man. See it, man. See it serious, it's true, man.
Oh, there, man, I joking, man. But I tell you, say, I might ground this. Any art, remember, say, I stage show time, and me run the place, you know. So some boy, if you have the body strong, see. We'll see.
Man, I tell you, you have to take the music serious, you see me?
But when my tune come out, you go say me serious.
Yeah, man, I see me out there, so on the block, I beat your tune, say, you see me? But until then, Dan Kingston, we are going to meds, you see it? So until the voice your tune, this is what we are listening to. You see it?
So I'm pledging with this thing, yeah?
Yeah,
no. No, seriously, but I'm going to prove you wrong, you hear?
Never know there, brother. Yes, sir, forward that studio with you.
Thing good.
Eh? John, that's get corrupt.
Yo, we tell them, you know, this year, you know, we have to turn artists, you know. We have to show them how we do it. Yo, La Boss, let me tell you this. Big up in the youth. Art of love. Mama K, ever have me back. Listen to me. Yo, Jessica. For me, baby girl, wine for me, baby girl, wine for me, baby girl, wine.
Hear me now.
Mama K, come in, hear me now.
No, listen to me now. Yeah, yo, get this. Give me this. I'll show you how to do the thing, you know. Remember, say, I'm me and your mother. And we run this.
Sure.
When you a scam, you have to have a lot of plan with no ambition. Get a big mansion with a big piece of land. We need some money right in our hand. Couple vacation in some island. Then we.
It's a girl song. It's a girl song.
Alright.
It's not a song.
Hear me now. Get back on track, Mama K. She jump off. Let me tell you this. Yo, Jessica. Wind up your body, my girl. Sit up for me, my girl. Tap up the screen, my girl.
Yo, DK, let me hear the party again.
I'll hold that there.
You tell me, I never know since the forward.
No shot is not in there, fight.
You know, sir, Dan Kingston.
I remember you tell me 3 o'clock, you know, brother. I remember I have all the entourage out there wait for me, you know.
I understand, yes, man. Just give me a little minute, I'm calling you. You know, some minutes.
Run it.
Irish artist, boy.
You're not busy with them. Go and sing. You're busy with them. Go and sing.
Yo, Labas, how go on?
DK.
Yo.
What about the son, man?
Yo, so wait, hold on, what go on?
Forward no man.
Yo, I say I go on now, La Boss. Cause match up that song, you know, come on, drop it a road quick, you know. You don't know me, I link Richard Brown go and shoot all the music video for me thing, you know.
Yeah, man, but we're going to have to talk about this song a little more, you know. As it go need a little fixing up. But differently. Just take a 5, get some water to drink, help. Get some more
Yo, watch out, man, I'm mad come on, man.
No, man, just listen to me, no, man. No. Must have me a friend now. We're bridging. Just take a 5, get it on straight, and drink some water. Juta go take a minute in a boat.
No, man, I book my session, man. This one, man.
No, man, you book. You never had no session. I must say you never book no time, you know. I just the give a second because me I bridging like that.
That's the point.
Juta Ryan booking time and him pay him money.
Brother, start.
Reading the channel.
Don't worry, sir, man. I line up with him. Let's take a minute, man.
Brother, start thinking the pan, brother. Yo, Jessica, come in, mommy. Crowd.
Yo, you know, son. Yo,
I violate.
Yo, you know, son, know this thing, brother.
I want to some boy. I come tell man about them a Dan Kingston. Eh? And I move like a big country boy. Him and him girl. I want to them. Funeral. Hear me now? I shoot a rhyme. Hear me now, man? Better than them boy there. I'm look a sister can't kill them. Play with him eye. Watch me dread. Yo, better than them, better than them. Rougher than them, rougher than them. Boy, I come with knife, but me have to ting them. Better than them, better than them. Hey, boy, you want your big belly girl. This man and this your boy, you get your funeral. Roll up on them with the big rusty thing. Man a run thing from country and town. Better than them, better than them. Eh? Rougher than them, rougher than them. Yo, pass my gun them. Richard Brown flip, eh? Done man, I done them. Anyway, me catch them a road. Some big belly boy. I move like a country boy, you hear that? I want to them. I better some boy go chop bush. You hear? Come in a man's studio, I go like some man fear. I want to them. Eh? Yo, better than them, better than them. Eh? Rougher than them, rougher than them. Labas, how that sound?
Yeah, man, that sound tough on me, brother.
You want to put him mother name in that? Where mother name?
Why, you know some man are informer, but I'm on my case name, you know.
My mother says a viral thing me I deal with, you know, man. A rifle and viral, you know. All right, ready back again.
All right.
Watch on a piece.
Mama, can you hear me, General?
Yeah.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah. Take a big stone and lick down him, girl. Run down Mama K and give her funeral. And tell them say me bad like me bad and me pal. Me no ramp with boy and them girl. Yo, better than them, better than them. Yo, me rise up the K, man. And boy, my top boy, mother name Mother K. And me short down Mother K, man.
Bomba! Yo!
Charlie, mama.
Jack guy, man, find it!
Me not tell you already, man.
Yo!
Hold on a second first.
Yo! How you do the one to grab me?
They want to kill me. You hear me say? I'll look a sister better than that. Hear that.
No, sir. Yo, this a slap boy and June, you know?
No tell them, man.
Yo, you're fine, you know?
Boy, they're not bad like me.
I want to kill a star. Yo, I have to shoot a video for this time.
Me shoot a video?
Yeah, man. You have to shoot a video for this man, brother. God, no.
But that.
Oh, what? Yo, it's your bad, brother.
Pull up.
Catch you back again. Yeah. Nah, sir, I'm tune this and all one.
You know part of what me say. Boy, I come talk about Dan Kingston. And I move like a country man.
Yo.
Them something I call fiction still, man.
Yeah, man, you have to watch yourself. And
rival and viral, me say.
Yes, sir, rival and viral.
I mean.
I say things, you see me? So for watch yourself, I know you see it. The tune is sick off themselves. Yes, man. Sick. Not tell her. Yeah, man. I eat. You can't grow on you, I eat right now. You have to go blast everywhere.
Too much more now. More time. More here.
Yeah.
So Deacon, I have like one question for us.
What's up?
You know how Alkaline say he spend a gun to kill a man and then he put it in a song and he fly that for him? Like he basically saying do the things them and he sing about it. The song them what you are singing, you not participate in activities like that.
No, man, we don't do them nothing, man. We just do a variation, a different type of music. We do a little bit of gospel, a little bit of badness. You understand? We just mix it up. Just play what people then like.
But the song them sound like you're singing off an experience. I mean, yeah, I'm just curious. I'm just ask.
No, sir. It's just music, man. I say art of music, you see me?
Okay, but like between me and you, right? You don't have like no one piece or lock or not like that.
I mean one piece.
You know, offensive weapon.
You mean like a gun?
Yes.
No, sir. But wait, why can't you ask me them questions then?
Because I want to know your inside out, I want to know me I get myself, you know. And like,
look. Just know, say, you're in good hands. Right? Dan Kingston, my name, you know. You're in good hands. Just know, say, you don't have nothing to worry about.
Alright, so like, why your mother go jail?
Why your mother go jail? As somebody tell her upon her, say she owe down a coats. You see me? Make lock her up. She take out something on her coats and put on pay for it. And then lock her up.
Yeah, lie to me.
But wait, but why can't ask them this question?
Because it's, me hear people talk about it and like when I watch the vlogs them on YouTube, you're quite popular enough, so people talk. And me here say you're a mother.
Oh, you know, say my mother got jail. Who tell her that?
I just tell you, I watch one review with you and what go on, latest update.
Hold on there. You hear that song there?
Oh, that's the guy.
Hold on there, get up there. I really, this boy, I feel like, you remember one time I got to the studio?
Yeah, I'm figure say him.
Alright. So you go.
Wait.
Eh? What you say I do now?
We can get something to eat because we're hungry.
Hungry? Alright, come on, let me carry get us a piece and then go home now. Because I need to tell my mother this. My mother I forget about this stuff.
So everything you tell your mother?
I mean, you know, my mother, you know, like say, you see me? If I got me someone there, police, she's supposed to go and tell police and walk all the clothes and everything.
Right. Hello? Yes. Is this Mr. Thompson? Calling from the warehouse for the... Come on, just give me a second, please.
I have to put him on mute, you know.
Hear that song a while ago. Hear that. Remember artist boy was young in the studio? You don't know say boy going in the studio. And la boss make man.
I want to some boy. I come tell man about them a Dan Kingston. And I move like a big country boy. Him and him girl. I want to them. Funeral. Hear me now? A jota rhyme. Hear me now, man? Better than them boy there. I'm a little sister can't kill them. Play with him eye. Watch me dread. Yo, better than them, better than them. Rougher than them, rougher than them. Boy, I come with knife, but me a the thing them. You hear that? I want to them. I better some boy go chop bush. You hear? Come in a man's shoulder, I go like some man fear. I want to them. Yo, better than them.
How that?
And I let eat that artist go man.
I see vice that. The foolishness in my thing. And I this people.
Yeah, actually, you know, man, we get my machete and chop him in the face.
Look here, hold on there. My son, listen to me, man. You see that the boy they were gone in the studio and try to style you, me, and your woman, them boy they fit dead.
Actually, you know, man, we go for machete right now, you know, man, and hope they find him, you know, man.
Or you want me to do it myself? You want me to do it myself?
That's why I get in no trouble to you know.
Idiot number 2, 170.
Yo, no boy can't diss me anyway, they no mother.
And this the you just this me and you and your woman.
Actually, if they have a gun right now, I tell you someone wrench my gun in the face of mommy.
Don't say a word. You know say your mother know if you don't. Oh. Anyway, where did they?
You know, say, man, Jessica did down the road there. The car will get piece of KFC and something because she have to tell me say she hungry, isn't it? Car will get piece of KFC and make she pull her belly and something. And drop her off back.
Same girl where did I tell me about say your woman?
The girl will go to the studio with mommy, man. You remember, man?
Alright.
Pick up.
Here you know. My son. I don't trust that girl, you know.
Why you can't answer that?
No, man. Them the girl, you know, for them know say you have little money, you know, man. I remember say a big artist, you know. So them the girl, they will run off for your money. They not run off for you. It's for your money. So you have to be careful and use this. You understand me? Then girl will take away your money and not give you no. What me say? I'm gone with the next man. That me I tell you. So you have to know you have to spend on them girl there. You have to just find a woman who really love you. And we care for you whether you have it or not. And not love you for what you have, love you for who you are. You understand?
Alright, so what do you think? What you are about the artist, boy?
Anyway.
We not take that, you know?
Alright, listen to me now. Don't worry about it. I know me can get some guns to buy.
You sure?
Yeah, man. Me can carry you. The two we can go get it.
Alright, don't worry yourself, man. Tomorrow morning, bright and early.
Alright.
Here?
Yeah.
Make sure, you know.
You know, so I did that to one client do and actually you come in.
Alright, go and do that, man. But I sang when they don't want you here, man. So we can go back on the road again. Just go and do that.
Alright, be careful, you know. Alright. If this a client, they must say a joke thing. Hello? Yes. As I was saying before, you have a Mercedes-Benz to collect, but you have to send me $2.5 million first.
World boss, me I tell you already, say something mix already. Just forward now. I want you to hear in our studio so you can really feel the vibe of the song. I say, I want to make sure it's perfect, you know. Yeah, man, me understand yes, man. Alright, yo. Me have one meeting for going on. Me link you. Yeah, respect my boss.
Brother, make law boss, I can't believe it, brother. Eh? Me a friend dog and you really make a man come in the studio and come try this or my mother brother. Do a song and this me. And you still gonna voice that dog. You know rate me.
DK, you must have business, you know. So if a man come in the studio, you know, and he want to drop a diss song, you know, or drop a song to tell all about your mother, you know, me no business, you know. Although, me no like to do that song still, you know.
But you tell me the other day, say, oh, me I do some foo song, and really make a man come here and voice that garbage, yeah, brother. Yeah, what I go on, a voice, me come around with voice one tune right now, you know, because yo, me not take that, you know. Me not take that, you know. I answer, me come to answer that right now, me not to make another minute waste.
Listen to me. Right now, me or somebody on anyway for voice one song. So listen to me.
So come we could deal with this right now.
You me I say no DK and stop move so fast, no brother. You have to understand. Me not like to do the type of song, you know. But here's the thing, you know. You see right now in a dance hall, we need some clash for your go on. So hear what me say, no? Right now, you see how Juta this, I drop if I drop a this song and do one clash.
So that me say me come for do.
Yes. But me know what to do. You see, same rhythm when me make use, me I make use it. But here what to know? Me can't do it right now. Me have one person come. And you know, pay me for the studio session. You have to pay me.
You always go on and say money, brother. Money a problem.
So where money there? Where money there?
Well, money for me. But you see me, you know if you do, me can't send the money to your account, brother. You go on and say man thing shaky. Man thing no shaky, you know, brother. Come in, man. Because right now I'm mad, you know.
Brother, just forward just to the man. Me tell you already, me cannot do it now. Me have somebody on the way. Try to class move forward for voice a song. So hear what me I say. Just go on in your yard, think about what I said before you say it. Because you know, one drop no song, you know. Remember say man I sing about say, oh, me bad than you, you know. And the song sound tough, you know.
So you don't feel like I said me can't go past that. Right now. Eh?
Here, let me hear what you can say. Yo, listen to me now, man.
Yeah, try to go around my thing, brother.
You must say no rush and you chat to you, know, brother. Just do what you have to do, bro. Write a song and forward to my studio and send me money to my account.
So say I don't rate myself, but you'll do it.
Thursday.
Sarge.
Good? You sure nobody not follow you?
No good, man.
Alright, go on. Alright. So nobody has suspected anything? Everything is fine?
Yes.
Nobody suspect you have nothing?
No, why would they suspect me?
No, because you're undercover. I'm just seeing that anybody behavior and so forth.
No, I'm fine. So far, I got him to trust you.
Mm-hmm.
And we are working on a bond, and everything has been good so far. As it relates to what I'm undercover for, there's nothing incriminating so far.
Nothing?
Nothing at all. He's not dropping guard yet. You just have to give him some time. You know.
So, I mean, what about, if mother, you know, she they together, same here, like, close, like.
Yeah, they are pretty close. I do believe that the mom has some kind of bad influence. But again, nothing yet. But him let me in, so just give me some time and we get some proper information.
How are you so close to your mother? I don't understand.
Well, I really don't know, you know. But you know, she has been gone for so long, maybe they're trying to work on a bond, you know, catch up back.
Oh.
It's understandable.
Okay.
With the mother, we definitely not trust her. Like some things when you say, you just not sound like what mother's supposed to tell them child that. Annie, she's definitely turning into a mama's boy the little time when she come back. When I tell you, you know, this man they got nowhere without his mother,
Oh man, me know what going on, man. Like, I remember she was away now, we have fair file long, so you know.
Right.
All when she come out, she still get hold because of violence in there, so. And I want easy woman, so me know. You understand?
Right.
I understand
I do believe that if him to go as far as hurting somebody, I really the mother.
Yeah, man. She have a big influence on him, you know, so, you know.
Right.
But more, that's why I keep your eyes open. Any little thing you see, you just report and stuff. You know, say, boy, just give me a call and I come meet you and stuff, but, you know. But just be careful for me.
Right.
All right? And anything you find out, just let me know. Just keep me in tune and so forth. All right?
Definitely, I will.
I see. Trust me, you know, because I tell you, say, boy, you getting it is a piece of cake, you know. And when him see you know.
Well, that's a compliment. I take it.
All right.
All right. Good night, sir.
Yeah, man. Just take care. Be careful.
All right.
All right.
Make sure say I don't know full link you carry upon no money.
No, man, I'm a bridging for a long time, man, but a good while I'm not see me, you know. What go on, Jimmy? Long time the eye no see the eye.
What go on, kid?
I don't know, so me never there in the place, you know, but freedom is a must, so me just drop a road, you know. You don't know, so then tell me, so them a let me out for good behavior.
No.
So me there in the place, you know, but yeah, you know. My son a do some singing, you know. Yeah, man, he have a good voice, he can DJ, he can sing. Bad in the studio.
Artist, you see me?
Yeah, man, real artist. Big celebrity.
You like an artist, you know.
Yeah, man.
Cool.
But guess what, no? You know when it come down to artists, how the other rest of bad mind artists them go on when them no have no tune. But my son have hits after hits. You understand? Music back of music, him just a go on with himself. I'm going to tune him right, you know. Yeah, man, him boss man, but them bad mind him. Alright, you know. Go on and sell me two of them strap there, you know, because one a female, one a female, because you have to protect himself. You see it from the them. You know the bad mind people, them, we can't stand them, because they're full of jealousy. You know, say me happy they have for my son.
Well, say, no name buried to them, my boss.
So how much feet?
So like how you go to prison to go. Me not think you don't put on there something there and okay.
Jimmy. Once a bad girl. Always a bad girl. Jimmy, you know me from long time. Me a real bad girl.
Right.
Badness me say. I'm happy to do it for my son.
Right. As if I a real bad girl, I give a real bad girl price.
No worry yourself, man. Me buy a whole heap of them things from you, you know. And you don't know, say, if me owe you, I come back on
so
pay.
That's why I take off 20%.
I mean,
so you say, no, buried to them, no, desert eagle, no, Ruger.
Yeah, man, me have a berry top on my belly.
So how much you let it go for?
You are going you, because you move too fast, you know.
But I watch a man a business coming for doing this.
Listen, man. Let me break down this thing. You see the amount of dopey where they on this berry tire? You make me sell you know. You have to be careful. You see me? You are going. The youth, them are go come up on the waters next week. You get what me I say? If you don't want to rifle them, at that time, them come in. Say if you don't want to...
We want a couple of them, man, but for now, we have a little important mission we want to crush, and we just want something quick and fast. You understand? Because you don't know as an artist, you know, man. Any boy feel like he can diss an artist, you know, say a dirt, you know. You know where badness come down, you know.
Yeah.
You don't know about artist to rhyme.
Jimmy, you can sell me it, man. Yeah, man, just give me it, man.
Then I say, no, better than that one. The one that look lily, man.
You too. Calm down, man. Just calm down.
What's the amount of money you are spending, man? No.
It no matter for your money you are spend. Hold this youth.
What's that? Yeah, man. That me a talk about, man. That me a talk about.
What you talk about? What you talk about?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Hold this, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So you say, go on now.
How much you say now?
No, say $3,500.
3,000, nothing better than that.
Oh man, that good man. Bridging for a long time, you know.
So that's how we get to shot them.
You shot them. So I know say you're somewhere. Because I'm not give man.
They have a thing for you from.
Shot, you know.
Before me go to prison, they have a thing for you know, so you can hold that, you know.
Yeah.
Yourself a drink too, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Alright, Dada.
Yeah, man.
Alright, respect, you know.
You don't know anything already, you know, Jimmy.
Yeah, man.
You never see me, you know.
What me fi see you?
Alright.
Alright.
Don't say 40.
Alright, Dada. You know what?
Remember, you know, just listen out to your music, them, you know, subscribe to your music, you know, and it's not no money idol music, you know.
Alright.
Real music, they say, hear that? Where's the woman over here say boy live?
Over here, some eat. They boy live in one.
Yo, see Mama K, wish her well.
Mama K, big up yourself, you know, my mother. La boss, I don't know. Big up. Yo, some boy are chatting about them, not know. Yo, badada, oh, you lick a rasta, chop out your head now. Like a lobster, Mama K, kill him quick.
Jutta rhyme, you never know, so we grimy. Me and me son, better than seriously. Look where your life end up in a cemetery. Hey. You better call your big friend, them and make them bring some whiskey. Me and me son now go keep on party.
Mama, oh, you bad, son. Me see where me get it. Yo, now we have a little secret. The boy Jutta Rhyme feel like he could have this way and get away with it. The boy are dead now. You diss me 12 o'clock. Big up all of Peter Sweel, you know. Big up Laba, student, you don't know, you know. Mama K, big up yourself, you know. Busting a walk. You don't know, Roaring River. Big up the whole place. The whole of man, Tigo Bay, Galchester, Kingston. Big up all Caribbean. Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation Originals. Yo, Jessica. Mama K, big up yourself, you know, my mother. La boss, I don't know. Big up. Yo, some boy are chatting about them, don't know. Yo, banana, oh, you like a rasta, chop out your head now.
Yes, Sarge.
Hold on. Detective, have you heard this?
I'm not aware of what you're listening.
Have you heard this music?
No.
It's either this man is Nostradamus that can predict the future or something. I'm gonna send it to you and make you listen to it. This is definitely something that happened. If you listen to this is a confession. Eh? No, listen to me, man.
Sarge, what there, that is barely anything where we can hold him on that a concrete.
No, I know that. But listen to all of this. Listen. You see that person that these, what they call him, DJ about? That man turned up dead, you know. They can hardly recognize him. So you want to tell me now, this man can see the future? The man Nostradamus? That don't make sense. Actually, he has to commit the act.
Well, in can say what you want to say, freedom of speech, we're not sure, but I'm working on it.
No, man, you have to... Man, no, man, this is definitely, as I said, A confession.
Alright, sorry, listen, I understand so I don't want to hold him out, I need to hold him right now. But we have to deal with this by the books. And me undercover, you know, it'll take time.
Why? Time we not have, you know. You know what happened? What you have to go do for me, you know? Me, I forgot get him mother away from him. Plus, at the end of the day, we get a report that she's going to Western Union quite often collecting money. Right. So when she go, well, watch her, you know. Next time she go, I'm going to give you a call and make sure that she away from him because it's what them coming like glue. So make sure, say, you get in contact with him and make sure, say, get every piece of information. Try your best without his mother there. You understand me?
So you're going to hold him mother upon scamming, or we're going to hold him upon?
We're not going to say we hold her on scamming. But we're going to investigate that too. Because remember, so she has been going to Western Union quite often. Look, and I like kind of like a regular money she are collecting, you know. And that woman, you know, was in prison for 10 years, you know. And I want easy piece of woman today, you know.
So far as it relates to the son, there is no, like him clean. Besides the song, them when I sing, there is nothing when we can hold him and there is nothing when we can question him.
Then have a thing with them saying, you know. Like father, like son. But this a time I like mother, like son. You understand me? Because if she stay like that, and she and him apart, he's no different. You sure it's everything all right?
What's that supposed to mean?
No, you just have a little mild-mannered. Might you getting too involved in the work in a certain sense, you know, because not seeing that from you, you know. So make sure everything is okay, and remember your duty.
Sergeant, underestimate me. I've been undercover so many times. I am telling you, this man is clean so far. There's nothing when we can call in and make an arrest.
So everything is all right. Just stay on course, please. All right?
Definitely.
All right. Keep your eyes open. All right? Okay. Hold on. No, so I have to go.
Me son a go keep on party. Mama, oh your bad son. Me see when me get it. Yo, you know we have a little secret. The boy feel like I think can't diss me, my kid. Jesus Christ, shut him out now.
Who is it?
Your brother.
My brother. Well gone.
Yeah, all gone, my sister.
No way come out now. Cause busy, you know, if you notice I work, you know.
All right. So I just come say a few little things and then me go left. I don't want to kind of drag this thing out, you know. Me hear everything what go on, you know. Yeah, man, me hear everything what go on with you and your son. Me hear his song them when I put out, and me hear say I am a par. And
for son, I mean name for par.
Yeah, but
my son.
But think about it, it no look good.
What about it no look good? I'm my son, I'm my mother. So anything when me doing, if you do it, man, me don't want to follow. No, not just family now. You know, help me do not need. You see how much years me did there prison for 10 years and now no help me. But I couldn't take him and take care of him.
So you don't think so you shouldn't use that time the way you spend at jail as a lesson and say, yo, you are come and you set a better example for your son. Instead you come and everything where you involved in it, your son involved in it. You think that look good?
Hold on there. When I client the online, let me collect some money. Hello? Yes. Have you sent the money? Okay. So as soon as the receiver pick it up, I'll let you get your gift. Yes, the Mercedes Benz. It's yours. You will get it as soon as the receiver picked up the money. I'll send it to you. Okay. You can call me back to confirm. Okay. No problem. Don't mention this to anyone. Okay? All right. Yeah, what you say now? You come and disturb me. I can't make no money on the phone, you know. You know, so no family. But allow not tell about blood, thick and water. Because you no help me. You never did it for bail me or nothing. And me and my youth alone. What you say now?
Listen, you see, if I road there, you go down and I lead your son down the road there,
Just like how you do 10 years, your son are going to do 10 too.
No, don't put, you see, you are my son, uncle. See, you start put your mouth on my son. You ruin a nephew. I say you come down. Son, you don't want to see nobody bust it in a real life. You're not going to want to see we go high. So you don't reach nowhere, you don't want the rest of family reach.
All right.
Hold on, you know.
All right. Say me want to know if we reach somewhere. Let me fix up some of what me just say. What if instead of no scam and no do everything that's bad, what me could put in a song? Tell me.
Why you have about scamming?
No, I mean
about people who scam.
I have not against scamming. What I am saying is,
if you want to learn, you can come in, my brother. Now my son will teach you. What do you have against scamming?
Listen, no man, me never just say nothing about scamming. No, me not say.
If you give me a way to try something for myself and not pull it down, I want to, no man.
No, listen, me I say no. Me not say nothing bad about what I do. Me I say instead of you put what you do in a song and become a hear on YouTube, you know. You don't think the police will listen to it?
So you know better we go and sing some tune and make a young youth then grow up and know say yeah, then can come and survive to have a little singing and sing. You know see what I go on. We know the words them, you know, so we can teach them. Because see they have been in slavery how long right now we are get back some of our slavery money where they take it from.
Alright, sis. I see there is no hope for you nor your son.
Your mouth. For a long time you put your mouth for me and me picnic. Yeah man. When you don't good enough, I see it. I better if me send my son come ask you for 100 grand, you can't give him. But look more from this when you beg your nephew money. More than that, he might give you want to go in your yard. I mean, I want you to come back to my place, come disturb me, you. All in your yard, brother, man, take for yourself.
What? All that. Fuck's sake. I saw like this someone I killed. Do that so. No, sir. Kill me or kill that boy.
DK. Yeah, you know what's wrong morning?
I sleep, man. I couldn't call me, man, and tell me say I come.
The service did down. Me have internet issues. Are you alone today?
Come on, I'm going to Western Union and going to pick up a piece of food for me.
Western Union again? Okay, so I have a few questions to ask you. You know, as a girlfriend, I'm just curious about certain things you do. I just want to make sure say you're safe on the road. Because once you're safe, you're safe, right?
I guess. What all of this about?
See, you make a song and you put it out. You know, this track is a regular thing for you. Because one of your first song me hear was a diss track. But this is not a regular kind of diss track. This sound like one confession. Like I said, one message or something.
What do you mean? You talk about music?
Yes, I'm talking about music.
Yeah, there's no things. I must say music me doing, man. So when I'm in the studio, I must say I write song, you know. So when I go in the studio, I just sing whatever come to my mind. You see me? I don't write song. I don't do the message. Right now, one song I do up there, I work on to, you know.
You say you did a sleep. Which one was it?
Sleep and then I drop asleep.
You did a sleep or you did a write song. Which one is it?
I did write a song. I don't know. I do meds. I have to lay down in my bed and I have meds and so I just drop asleep. You see me?
Is it that you just try to be problematic? Because I listen to the song, you know, more than one time. I know that song word for word right now. And it feels like a confession to me.
Mama K,
Hello.
Come here.
Hi.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Who you can't tell me when if you come have a seat? Who you, sir?
You will find out. Police. Have a seat. He come like a jackpot, man. Hmm? I see you put in a substantial amount of money in your little purse there.
You know, I mean, I like with Uno people. Uno love watch other people too much. And my personal business that, so you stand up out there, so they watch all who they come out of Western Union with money and MoneyGram, you stand up for all like business place them and watch people business. If you beg me a thing, you beg me a thing. Me not have no time to waste. Because my son, they want to wait for me. I can't sit down here so I waste time with you. What you say?
Listen to me. You're a frequently a visit here, so I know that, right? And you have been collecting large sums of money. I don't know how they do block yours yet. You understand me?
You hear your bad mouth where you have?
It's not bad mouth. Listen to me.
So you don't really want them black me. Listen, officer, me don't want you nothing from you. Because what you say, no make no sense. Me just come from prison. Here where you call down for me now. For them black me from the little money where me I get from friends. So what, me can't go a man and foreign and say no little money come give me.
Is so much money you have? Like you have all woman too?
You know matter, you look like you want company list, you want join it?
Alright, listen to me. Me know everything that go on in this. And me know say in there work with somebody because there's no way you can collect in money so much.
Where you going?
And I'm the police. Alright, listen to me. Anyway. It's not even said that. That is just a chip off of the block where I come to you about. What I really come to you about is your son.
I just music. Lyrics just come up. And I just put the rhyme them together. Make one and two. And they come up with a song. I just...
Are you aware?
Look, wait. Hold on. So, what is about? Are this a come to me?
Because I recently found out that the guy that you sung the song about died. Him dead.
Unfortunately, the streets just take him.
And it so happens that you sing the song right after he died. That funny? Why you rejoice when somebody dead?
Same thing when Brown Man dead, Silk Bass to song about him. So I want nobody not talk about that.
Oh my God, this feels different. This feels more personal.
Yeah, say I worry about the wrong thing, man. Where's it? Can we go upstairs, man? I'm glad you come.
You can listen to me. Everybody knows that me and you there now.
Yes, and come and go upstairs now. Go finish the album. I don't want to hear about the artist boy there again.
Boy, I tell you, he's taking up the same part just like you, and he's going to end up just like you and even worse. You understand me?
Uno people, uno bad mouth. Uno bad goat mouth. Always a put on the mouth on other people. Mind you one a business officer. Me can't get a thing.
Listen to me. I can't, say me can't charge you for bribe now.
Half of me not in no trouble. What me a bribe you for?
So what you taking out money? I don't want, listen, anyway. Me just, all right, cut to the chase. Because I'm not here for any foolishness. Your son, right, and you do a certain music where me hear and people are talk about on the road. A certain unalive individual, another artist turn up dead. Right? It's not a joke matter. Don't take it for a joke matter.
So you not like it, John?
Listen to me.
It's not true.
Listen to me. That music that you and that son do, it actually describe the murder. So me want to know if una fortune teller or what, una do that song, that is so hit home. Listen to me.
Officer, what's your name again? What is your name, sir?
Vassal.
Officer Vassal. Nothing wrong with the song.
I am going to...
It is an original song.
Original?
Yes.
With that type...
Carbon copy.
Original or copy or whatever you want to call it. Listen to me. The song that describe everything exactly what you do and that unalive person. And I'm going to need you and your son to come down to the station. You understand?
I don't give you no money if you come down and no station when you talk about bribe. Mr. say you did look hungry, so I did half of your $100.
And you know, say if you come like say you see somebody in a prison where you like. You come like you love God here.
A lot of friends me have.
It's alright. You're going to end up back straight there. You're going to end up back straight there.
You cannot send me there because you have no evidence, no witness, nothing. You put something for me and my son.
I'm here. You not even find out if alright, right now I'm me alone there from morning. And mommy gone to the restaurant and as me saying. You know, come make you go do something, man, before she come back.
DK, I'm just concerned. Me just want if I have a safe space with me. Safe enough if you analyze somebody, you call me, you say, B, you know, say me in a trouble, me just analyze somebody, accident or not. You get what me trying to say? I have your back. So if there's anything where you want, tell me right now.
Look, come rub him back for me. That one tell you. Come rub him back. Yeah? Start worry about them something, man. Me and I say a good man and there with them, man. See if you get a man like me, man, I get quality and substance.
Listen to me. This is a serious matter. It's not a joke thing. As a matter of fact, I need you and your son to come down to the station ASAP. I mean,
When we come down, then don't worry yourself.
Hold on. Hello? Yeah, man, how you doing? Yes, who cash? Counselor who? What you saying? Where?
That if you go mind, who no business.
Hold on, yes, I'm going on the scene right now. All right, yeah. Hey, listen to me. You see, today is a lucky day. I have to move. And listen to me. Make sure say you and your son come down ASAP, all right?
Officer,
I don't want to have to come.
Try me.
Listen to me.
I'm my son. Better than seriously.
I don't have to come for you, no. Remember,
look,
come down ASAP.
Go and go do the work and stop by the people. You too grudgefully watch me come out of Western Union. You know?
Yeah, I'm hoodlum.
Oh, no. Stop mind me.
A menace to society, man.
I go come down a station. You can't do it nothing. We come down there.
I might just flick her down too.
Kingston arise, Don Kingston arise, Don Kingston arise. Big body girl ride, a big body girl time, a big body girl time, a big. Oh, listen to me, Susie. I'm coming round here to the Lucy. Coming down, come down to the stairs. Listen to me, I'm coming round there. Yeah. You better make sure, say you have the money, girl. You better make sure, say you have the money, girl. Yeah. And then, play a moment, I read in my song. I said, what are you miss?
Reading, but we soon talk about the reading.
My producer just send me reading, man. I tell myself to go and med something funny. I play me there, I go and play around still.
DK.
So you get through?
DK, tap in nice and listen to this. This is more serious and important. We can listen about tune later on. You know what happened? Because while I come out of Western Union, the police, they don't stop me and pull me over.
They don't find any money.
It's like find this money. We soon talk about the money part. Hear this. You have to be careful. Because it come like a police and suspect way. You see the gun where you use kill Ricky, you need to throw it away. Dash it away.
What do you mean? When I just buy that?
Jesus can't find it.
Mommy, me just buy that gun there, man. I mean that shit way. You're crazy. You can't spend so much money for that gun there, man, and they shot their heart for get.
They say the police, they suspect way. And that's why he called me over. But I chose another thing come on there. He just low me and lucky so him not search me, you know. Yo, DK, me gun for me, you know.
So, mommy, how if you can't walk up and down with the gun?
What you mean?
Better than that.
No better. Of course, me know better. It's my protection.
But you just come out of jail, you know.
If you protect me and you know so much money, me go collect your thing, man. A boy, if you say they can contact this from me so easy. Remember, say we do a chop line, you know, my yo. We are chopping about some of your clients, them going like I said, they don't want to send everything, you know. And we feel like you go tell them about them woman.
So give me a few piece of money, man. Go get something funny road and come back.
Your piece of money in front of people. Them boy, I love big money to buy spliff and whistle and them something. Anyway.
Come on, link.
Me now give you all a fear right there, so still, you know. Just like give you part right, you know. Alright, this supposed to get more and older. When you come back, we count out the rest and make you the rest of feel.
Alright, but you come on, I link me this and come on.
Alright.
Kingston.
You just have to hear this.
Jesus Christ. DK. Hold on. Jesus. I have to go to hospital right now. Come. No, you're not dead. Me, I carry you to hospital.
Mama K, big up yourself, you know, my mother. La boss, I don't know. Big up. Yo, some boy are chatting about them, don't know. Yo, badada, oh. Yo, like a rasta, chop out your head now. Like a lobster, Mama K, kill him quick.
Juta rhyme, I never know, so we grimy. Me and me son, better than seriously. Look where your life end up in a cemetery. You better call your big friend, them and make them bring some whiskey. Me and me son now go keep on party.
Mama, oh, your bad, so. Me see when me get it. Yo, you know we have a little secret. The boy feel like I think can't diss Mama K. Jesus Christ, shut him out now. Big up all up with a sweel, you know. Big up Laba, student, you don't know, you know, Mama K. Big up yourself, you know, busting a walk. You don't know, Roaring River. Big up the whole place. The whole of Montego Bay, Galchester, Kingston. Big up all Caribbean. Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation Originals. Yo, Jessica. Yo, Matox, Debbie, you don't know. Yo, Matox. Yo, this is gonna be history, man.
Yeah, put on Debbie back.
Oh, okay.
Listen to Debbie. Oh, so you think you can discipline? Oh. I'm happy to tell them, Debbie. Yeah.
Oh.
Let's come back from Matox again. Matox, Debbie, tell them.
Yo, Matox, tell them, Debbie. Rise up.
All right, put on in your other group.
Hold on. People. Richard Brown Films, I don't know, Paradise Nation Originals. This is how we do it. Ready?
Outside.
Yo! Listen to me now. You think you can diss me? Liquor boy, B2, you think me a pitney? Mama K, rise up the gun quickly.
All right, you get some good pieces. All right, we're done.
Yes.
Oh, it's just burn up. We're on.
Yo, 1 1 2 2.
Yeah,
Liquor boy, let me tell you this. Got your bed, mash a hole, look at his head. Whoa, yo, gunshot, listen to me now. You can get killed. Yo, Mama K, rise up, they gun run her back. What's it up? Shot.
Prayer.
We get tonight.
Little boy, go on your bed. Little boy, say your prayer. Wash your foot. Go on your bed. Go back home.
Liquor boy, got your bed. Liquor boy, got your bed. Wash your foot. You got your prayer, say your prayer, cause you're dead. Bow! A gunshot in your head. Bow! A gunshot, got your bed. Bow! Mama K!
Yo, be dead. Them dead enough. You think them can destroy? What do they know about Petersfield? What they know about Bastida Walk? What they know about Bullet Tree? What they know about the whole place? Return. Bow! Mama, oh, your bad, sir. Me see where me get it. Yo, now we have a little secret. The boy jot around feel like he could and this way and get me with it. The boy are dead now. Can this be 12 o'clock? Now at 1 p.m. Ha ha ha. Mark Jordan, tell him now.
I know I tell you, know if you tell us about Mark Jordan. We don't know it catching it. How Mark Jordan getting it?
You don't know a thing set in a law, boss. Run it and make we done it. Listen to me now, Mama K. Boy, madam, me never know, say I say you bad. Some boys say them bad in the mama, but them don't know this. Yo, badada, oh. Law, boss, I don't know. Big up. Yo, some boys are chat to them, but them don't know. Yo, badada, oh. You like a rasta, chop out your head now. Like a lobster, kick it in your face, boy. You think you can this Mama K? Mama K, come in. Eh?